This is so sad to me, just sitting outside like that. But on a happier note, welcome back guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am at Manheim and I bought a car, almost by accident. I just clicked a bid, ended up winning it. You know how it goes. If you've been following the channel, I tend to buy a lot of cars like this by accident. And today we're picking up a 09 Nissan Sentra and it's in lane 3, run 101. So I'm getting pretty close and we're gonna take a look at it. Kid in a candy store, I tell ya. Imagine having so many cars and just taking like 50 bucks, 100 bucks profit off of each one. So lane 3, 97, 98, 103, man, they're kind of all over the place. Where's my Sentra? 105, 114, 113. Let's try it this way. Somebody parked the cars wrong. Yeah, someone definitely parked them wrong. Because now it's looking at 315, 319, 316, 37 right there. So it's a silver Sentra. Let's see if I could find it like this. It is seriously super cold out, like really, really cold. By the way, this Ford Escape, but I missed it. Some damage right here. I want to start it just in case it doesn't sell and they run it through next week. Check engine light on. Yep, I don't want that. Since the car sold, I'm curious if it was parked in the sold section where I usually pick up cars. I don't know how they kind of park them and where. I'm still looking. See if I could spot it like this. It is so cold. You guys don't even understand. Wow. Check this thing out. Looks really, really clean. But guess what? I found it. Here it is. 3101 09 Sentra. Right off the bat, it's a smoker's car, and I hope it starts. That's a good sign. Okay. We are all set. Sounds like it runs really, really well. So actually, I'm not gonna check the oil level or anything. We are just going to wing it and get it pulled out. We're gonna get the heat going, get the rear defrost. I walked by this car too, because I thought it would be in the right order, in the right lane. So, let's get it pulled out. Airbag light is blinking. Tire pressure monitoring system is blinking. So far, like, that's the only two issues. Dang, a whole bunch of new Volvos here. I got the car pulled out and I quickly stopped in the parking lot just to check the oil level, the coolant level. Everything seems to be good. I am at a quarter tank of gas, so I think I am good to go home. I'll show you guys the outside once I get home, but interior is pretty dirty. I will need to clean it up, and there's a title delay. So I actually have time to get this car kind of cleaned up and taken care of. So I think first thing will be airbag, see if my computer can reset it, see what's going on. Tire pressure light, I'll have to check the pressure in the tires. That's the easiest thing. Maybe one of them is just slightly under the threshold where the computer wants it to be. Interior, good wipe down, good vacuum, and bumper actually has some damage. So that's the one thing I'm kind of worried about, but I think regardless, even as is, I should be able to turn a pretty decent profit, around 800 bucks to maybe 1,000, but we'll see once we get a better look at it once I get home. Here we are. A few really, I don't know where they are, stickers. So this is actually the damage, and yeah, unfortunately it's not good. The bracket is here, but this part is completely bent in. But tires are nearly new. Funky looking wheels, but they should work. It's a little dirty from the outside, but honestly guys, I would say that for 1,500 bucks, I did pretty good. Yeah, very difficult when it gets dark super quick. But let's see if this tool, what is this, Nissan, is able to clear the airbag light. Nissan, here you are. Got my 2009 Nissan Sentra selected airbag. Let's see, read DTC, driver airbag module open, unknown code. Let's get out of this. Whoops, I didn't mean to get out of the whole thing. Clear. Yes, and let's see if it'll work. Okay, clear code, or code has been cleared. But it doesn't look like it worked. It's a bummer knowing that a lot of these videos going forward are gonna be kind of darkish, or I'll have to find or prioritize making these videos while it's light out. But since that didn't work, and the code says that the issue is a open circuit, more or less, in the daytime, I will probably look underneath the driver's seat, see if there's some kind of connector open, or, you know, whatever it could be. Maybe I'll figure it out. If not, it's not a big deal in the state of Oregon to have the airbag light on, and I am able to sell it as is, you know, plus the damage in the rear. I'll price it accordingly, but this is what it is at this point, I guess. And then tomorrow I'll try to put some air in the tires and see if the tire light will go off. Aside from that, clean up and it should be good to go. Tell me what you guys think of this purchase. Please let me know what you think the winning bid was, and if you are pretty close, then I'll probably send you a gift card or something. But you have to be a subscriber. Take care, and I'll see you in another video.